Hi everyone, welcome to bestaphic channel. In this video, I want to introduce you to the top 30 jobs in the world based on the average annual salary. So I suggest you to stay with us until the end of this video.
Number 1. Neurosurgeon. Number 2. Anesthesiologist. Requires extensive medical training, administers anesthesia during surgery.
Number 3. Surgeon. Specialist medical professionals who deal with sensitive surgeries.
Number 4. Obstetrics and gynecology specialist.
Number 5. Orthodontic specialist. Specialist in corrective measures for teeth.
Number 6. Psychiatrist. Focuses on mental health care.
Number 7. Investment banker. It includes market research, financial analysis, and decision making.
Number 8. General practitioner. The first point of contact in medical care refers patients to a specialist.
Number 9. Executive chairman. A leadership role that requires diverse skills and competencies.
Number 10. Pediatrician. Specialist in treating children.
Number 11. Dentist. Specialist in dental care and treatment.
Number 12. Pilot and flight engineer. The need for detailed training, responsible for flying and navigating the aircraft.
Number 13. Oil engineer. Design and development of oil and gas extraction machines.
Number 14. Software engineer. Designs and builds technological solutions using coding skills.
Number 15. Food specialist. Specialist in the treatment of food problems.
Number 16. Architecture director. Planning and coordination of construction projects.
Number 17. Marketing manager. Design and implementation of marketing strategies.
Number 18. Financial manager. Manages financial planning and investment activities.
Number 19. Lawyer. Providing legal services, defending clients, and drafting laws.
Number 20. Sales manager. Planning and coordinating the distribution of goods and services.
Number 21. Managers of natural sciences. Coordination of research and development in biological sciences.
Number 22. Web developers. Building websites and applications high demand in the internet age.
Number 23. Pharmacist. Dispenses medicines, interprets prescriptions, and ensures correct use of medicines.
Number 24. Chief Artificial Intelligence Manager. Leading organizations manage strategies based on artificial intelligence and digital transformation.
Number 25. Product managers. The visionary behind a successful product lifecycle managers, bridging with customers, developers, and stakeholders.
Number 26. Machine learning engineers. Builds and deploys machine learning models for various applications.
Number 27. Blockchain developers. Create safe and transparent digital ledgers for applications such as digital currencies.
Number 28. Cybersecurity managers. Protecting the data and systems of organizations against cyber threats is one of his or her duties.
Number 29. Artificial intelligence engineers. Develops algorithms to enhance artificial intelligence applications across industries.
Number 30. Data scientist. performs data analysis to gain valuable insights for data-driven strategies.
These jobs represent opportunities in a rapidly evolving job market and emphasize the importance of staying informed and adapting. Upskilling in these technologies is critical to career success.
Best of Show channel wishes you success and a pocket full of money. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye.